Make more money with fewer sales. Sounds too good to be true. But actually, you can achieve that with something called a high-ticket dropshipping store. Instead of selling a ton of low-cost and low-margin products and making 10 bucks here and there, you can make just as much profit with a single sale of a high-ticket dropshipping product. Who doesn't like the sound of that? Think drones, guitars, and furniture, not phone cases and novelty socks. These high-ticket items are typically larger and more challenging to ship, but offer much higher profit margins. In this guide, we'll take a deep dive into this type of dropshipping and the step-by-step process you can use to find and sell high-ticket products. As a bonus, we've also included a list of the 15 best high-ticket dropshipping products you can start selling today. Ready to dive in and take your profits to another level? Let's get started. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys of the lucky draw this month, where you'll have a chance to win a 1-year free membership to SaleHoo Directory or SaleHoo Dropship. All you have to do is comment below and tell us, what is the biggest issue you're currently trying to solve in your dropshipping journey? At the end of the month, we'll choose one lucky winner and announce that person in our latest YouTube video. Now let's talk about what exactly is high-ticket dropshipping. High-ticket dropshipping works the same way as low-ticket dropshipping. You sell a product, place an order with your dropshipping supplier, and they handle the fulfillment process. The major difference is that a high-ticket dropshipping business is focused on selling more expensive items, high-ticket products. There are some risks with selling high-ticket products on your e-commerce store. Generally, these products are larger and harder to ship, so managing returns can be difficult, but selling high-ticket products can boost your profits. You can make more money per sale, and it's easier to find lucrative niches that aren't oversaturated with competitors. So, what is a high-ticket dropshipping product? A high-ticket dropshipping product is an item that sells for a high price point. In most niches, it means products that sell for $150 to $2,000 or more. Aside from the price point, there are three main characteristics of a high-ticket dropshipping product. 1. Higher profit per sale. Don't expect to sell high quantities of high-ticket products. Typically, these products have a slower turnover, but you'll be making significantly more per sale. 2. No impulse purchases. Shoppers don't buy high-ticket items on a whim. If you're spending a lot of cash, you research your options before making a decision to buy. This means you need to optimize your marketing strategy and online store for high-ticket items. 3. High quality and luxury items. People expect a premium product and service when they spend big on an item. That goes for the product itself and the service your e-commerce store provides. You need to find reliable, high-quality suppliers and make sure your customer service is first class. Now I'm gonna give you a step-by-step process of how to do high-ticket dropshipping. We've covered the basics, so now let's dig into the step-by-step process of how to do high-ticket dropshipping. Step 1 is to find the right products to sell. No surprises here. The first step is to find high-ticket items to sell in your dropshipping store. There are a bunch of ways to research potential products and validate your ideas before you invest any time or money into marketing. Google Trends is a helpful tool that's really easy to use. Simply type in your product idea and you'll be able to see interest in the search term over time. You can also use Amazon and eBay bestseller lists. Of course, many people use e-commerce marketplaces to search for bargains, but you can find great high-ticket dropshipping product ideas if you look in the right categories. Lastly, you can use keyword research tools like Ahrefs or Ubersuggest to gain insight into how popular certain products and niches are. These tools can help you judge the level of competition for high-ticket dropshipping niches. It's best to use multiple tactics to validate a product idea. Generally, you want to see consistent demand over time. If you need some help with product research, check out our video here on product research. You can make money with trending products, but they tend to be low-cost items with smaller margins. Step 2 is to find a reliable supplier. Once you've narrowed in on a good product, the next step is to find a supplier for your high-ticket dropshipping business. Now, finding a good supplier is super important for high-ticket dropshipping. The cost of returns can quickly eat into your profits, so you need to be extra careful when choosing a supplier. The best high-ticket dropshipping suppliers will have a proven track record, great communication, and excellent quality control. So, where can you find these suppliers? Here are the 3 best places to look. First is AliExpress, which often gets a bad reputation from dropshippers. And while it does have its issues, you can certainly find trustworthy and reliable suppliers on the platform if you look hard enough. It's much easier to do that if you use the right tool. With a tool like SaleHoo Dropship, you'll have a way easier time finding trending products sold by vetted suppliers because the tool only allows you to dropship the quality products from credible suppliers. You can add products to your Shopify store with just a couple of clicks, and you don't have to worry about your customers complaining that the product is damaged or low quality. The second place you could look is the SaleHoo directory, which is one of the best places to find high-ticket dropshipping suppliers. Okay, it might sound a little biased, but it's 100% true. You can find over 1.6 million products in the directory, and they're all sold by vetted suppliers with a proven track record for product quality and service. You can filter products according to the country of origin, which makes it easy to find local suppliers offering lower shipping costs and faster shipping times. Customers expect fast and efficient service when buying a high-ticket item. Step 3 is to set up your dropshipping store. It's time to create a high-end dropshipping store to sell your high-ticket products. There are a few extra things you need to keep in mind when creating a high-end dropshipping store, including number 1, premium branding. Branding becomes more important as the cost of product increases. If you want to sell high-ticket products, you need branding that matches the high-quality feel of the products you sell. There are a bunch of luxury and high-end Shopify themes you can use, but they are premium themes that range from $30 to $300. While visuals are important, you should also pay attention to your web copy. If you're targeting a luxury audience, it's a good idea to ditch the slang and use a more professional tone. You can check out examples of luxury brands in your niche to get some inspiration and find out what can work for your audience. Next is professional product photos. Product photos are vital for every e-commerce store, but they are absolutely crucial for high-ticket items. If you're selling a luxury watch that costs hundreds of dollars and you recycle a basic image from AliExpress, it's not going to look good, and it will cost you sales. You should consider hiring a pro photographer to get some great shots of your products. If you know your aperture from your white balance, you can take your own photos using your digital camera or smartphone. This simple tip can help you stand out from competitors who haven't tried to create custom images. 3 is customer service. When customers are spending big money, they expect exceptional customer service. That's why business class tickets are better than coach, and why a fancy Italian restaurant offers a much better dining experience than a McDonald's. The same principle applies to e-commerce. Your customers will expect great customer service if you're selling a high-ticket dropshipping product. Nobody wants to wait days to receive a reply to a customer service inquiry, but it's even more annoying if you just spent $1,000 on a high-end item. Make sure you answer customers' queries as soon as possible, keep the customer updated, and reach out to see if they are satisfied with their purchase. Step 4 is high-ticket dropshipping marketing. By now, you should have a high-end store and high-end ticket products to sell. The next step is to attract potential customers with a marketing strategy. Marketing high-ticket products can be more challenging than low-cost items. You'll struggle to generate impulse purchases, so you need to be more tactical. There are 3 marketing strategies that work really well for high-ticket products. The first is Google Shopping Ads. Google Shopping Ads are a great way to get your products in front of people actively searching for a product. You can get your product to appear at the top of the search results, and you only pay a fee when a shopper clicks on your ad. Instead of trying to stand out on a cluttered social media feed, you can target the people close to making a purchase. Second is search engine optimization, or SEO. We've already mentioned how shoppers looking to buy a high-ticket item do lots of research before they commit to purchasing a product. So, where do they research products? Well, most people turn to search engines to try and find guides, comparison posts, and reviews. With a solid SEO strategy, you can rank high for the search terms your potential customers are using and generate lots of traffic that you can direct to your product pages. Keyword research is vital here. If you look at a keyword like men's watch, you'll see it generates a high search volume, but it's also really hard to rank for. Instead of competing with Rolex and Cartier, trust me, you'll never be able to win that SEO battle. Try to find related keywords that are easier to rank for. These search terms still generate lots of traffic, but they have a much lower keyword difficulty. Be smart about the keywords you target and maximize your resources by targeting terms where you have a chance of making it onto the first page of search results. Next up, it's influencer marketing for high-ticket dropshipping. The key to successful influencer marketing is research. Before you work with any influencers, you want to verify that they have a real following that fits your target audience. You can use a tool like Social Blade to check out potential influencer partners on YouTube. If you see a big jump in the number of total subscribers, it's worth checking out the videos the influencer released during that period. In the example, you can see the total weekly subscribers had a sharp increase. If the videos released during that period didn't generate higher than average views, it could indicate they are buying followers. That's it. With the right products, supplier store, and marketing, you'll be well on your way to generating your first sale. But before you go anywhere, you don't want to miss our bonus list of the best high-ticket dropshipping products. Choosing the right products can make or break your dropshipping store. You'll find 15 of the best high-end products in the following list. All of these winning products can be found in Sale Who Dropship. That means you can add them to your Shopify store within a couple of clicks and start making sales today. First is electric scooters. Electric scooters are everywhere now. You can't walk through a city park in America without seeing someone go past on an electric scooter. These high-ticket products are fun and stylish, but they also have an eco-friendly angle you can use in your marketing and sales copy. There are also a bunch of related products you can add to your store, including helmets, grips, knee pads, and more. You can also include these products as part of bundle deals or add-ons during the checkout process to maximize average order value, or AOV. The second is projectors. Projectors had a boom in popularity over the last couple of years. These devices can be used to project images onto a wall, screen, or any other flat surface. The most obvious buyers are people looking to create a home cinema experience, but you can also target businesses and education buyers. Next is huge outdoor umbrellas. Huge outdoor umbrellas are high-ticket seasonal products that sell well during summer. They solve a problem, which is always a good sign for a dropshipping product. When the sun is shining, a huge umbrella can provide shade and an area to relax in. The cost of a garden umbrella can vary. You can offer a range of options in your store, with basic models priced from $150 to $200, and the more expensive models with built-in solar lights costing upwards of $500. Next is unique coffee makers. Coffee is one of the most popular beverages all over the world. The coffee market is worth more than $85 billion in the US alone. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in the popularity of coffee makers and other tools enthusiasts need to make great coffee at home. Alongside coffee makers, there are a bunch of complementary products you can sell, including coffee beans, cups, flasks, and more. Next is outdoor swing hammocks. Swing hammocks are seasonal products that sell for a surprisingly high amount. These products make for a great addition to the backyard or garden. There are also a bunch of different types. For example, you can sell lightweight swing hammocks that need to be attached to a tree or post, or more robust freestanding hammocks that come with their own support base. Next is gaming chairs. The gaming market is enormous. According to the latest data from Statista, there are over 3 billion active video gamers worldwide. That's a vast number of potential customers. You can tap into this market with high-ticket dropshipping. Products like gaming chairs. These products provide additional comfort and often come with features like built-in speakers. There are lots of different types of gaming chairs, with some fetching $400+. Next is a baby play area. A baby activity center like this play area is a high-ticket dropshipping product with a huge market of potential customers. These products often come with built-in speakers, lights, and other gadgets. Parents are the obvious target market, but you can also target family and friends looking for birthday and Christmas presents. There are many ways to get creative with your content and paid marketing campaigns. Next, we have greenhouses. Greenhouses are a product that people spend time considering and searching for different options before making a purchase. There's a big market with homeowners, but there's also a commercial audience that you can target too. With prices ranging from $150 to $4,000 plus, you can make a nice profit from a single sale. Next, we have vanity tables. There's consistent demand for furniture, which is why it's such a good niche for high-ticket dropshipping. One of the best products to sell is a vanity table, also known as a makeup table or beauty station. These products have a large audience of potential customers. They also sell for a high price. You can find a high-ticket vanity table and sell it for $300 plus with the right branding and marketing strategy. Next, we have drones. Drones are a trending dropshipping product that is popular with a diverse audience. You can find small drones that sell for less than $40, but the margins on these are relatively small. Instead, focus on high-ticket drones that sell for $300 plus. These products come with 4K cameras, tracking features, and other cool features. The margin on high-end drones is much higher, so you can make a healthy profit per sale. Next is beds. Beds are a one-off purchase that people spend a lot of time researching. They are among the highest priced items on our list of high-ticket dropshipping products. The average cost of a budget bed is around $500, but you can find more expensive options selling for thousands of dollars. If you can clear $500 or more per sale after costs, you only need to generate a small number of monthly sales that earn a good income. Next, we have massage chairs. With more and more people working from home, there has been a big boost in the popularity of products like massage chairs. Massage chairs can relieve the tension and stress caused by sitting in a similar position for hours. It's a great problem-solving dropshipping product, and people are willing to spend big on products that can improve their daily lives. There's an extensive range of massage chairs. Budget models retail for $150, but high-end models sell for $2,000+. Next, we have guitars. Guitars have long been one of the most popular musical instruments. The guitar manufacturer, Fender, estimates that around 16 million Americans learned to play the guitar over the last 2 years. That's a big market of potential customers. There's also a bunch of cross-selling opportunities in the guitar niche. For example, you can sell tuners, cables, slides, capos, etc. Next is surveillance kits. Surveillance kits help people to improve the security of their homes. They fulfill a basic human need people are willing to spend a lot of money on. There are many different types of surveillance kits, with some fetching upwards of $5,000. To capitalize on cross-selling opportunities, you can also sell storage drives, cables, monitors, and other accessories. Next, we have trampolines. Trampolines are recreational products with high seasonal sales. Over the summer months, many people buy trampolines for their kids to use in the backyard or garden. Word of mouth is super important in this niche. You want to get parents talking and sharing their experience of buying from your e-commerce store. You can leverage YouTube influencers and social media to reach your audience and encourage sales. Anyway, that's it from me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this type of content and want us to make more of it. Also, if you want, you can sign up to SaleHoo. I'll leave a link to sign up in the description box below. Are you interested in dropship stores that made it? Check out this video here for 7 case studies of successful dropshipping stores. You can also check out this video here to learn 14 marketing tactics to drive sales to your e-commerce business. Thanks everyone, see you in the next video.